Welcome back. Where did it go? Dogs are at the back there walking. It's funny, we've just been looking into the legalities of what the dog law says and the bylaws say. And what we've been reading is that a dog is deemed out of control, blah 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 blah, and they talk about having continuous control of your dog. So we're actually going to hire a lawyer and get the legal side of this sorted out so we're clear ourselves. Today, when the pound stopped and talked to us, well, they didn't talk to us. The woman accused my dog Storm of being out of control. She was about 2 meters in front of the van having a piss, and then she accused my dog of being out of control, and she accused me of having no control. I had 4 other dogs sitting quietly and calmly in the van while the doors was open, and she was talking. But according to the law, the 1996 Act and Hamilton City bylaw, that's not deemed out of control. Yeah, so we're actually going to hire a lawyer and get them to have a look at that law interpreted for us. It's just peace of mind for us when we're out with the dogs, and something we should have done ages ago. But anyway, according to the law that we understand, these dogs here are fully in control. They're not out of control, because I'm standing right here. I have 100% control of them, and each one of them has a leash attached to them, secure to them, and I have leashes on me. But as far as I can interpret and what I know about what I read and everybody else has read, is that that's not deemed out of control as far as the law goes. But anyway, we'll see what the lawyer has to say, and we'll let you know what our findings are. But anyway, we're going to carry on with our walk. So carrying on about this law, my dogs are here. There's nobody else around. There's nobody else they can disturb, and they're in full control. I have full control, 100% control of these dogs. There's nobody else around. There's nothing for nobody else who they can disturb. They're not running off out of control. So as far as I can interpret, as far as the paper goes, the law paper that we were looking at and the bylaws, these dogs are deemed fully in control as far as I'm concerned. But like I said, we're going to get a lawyer and we're going to fully look into this law, dog control law and bylaw, and see if I'm reading it the same way as what a lawyer reads it. And so, but like I said, these dogs are obviously, as you can see, 100% in my control. There's no other dogs around, there's no other people around, and the cemetery is right there, and it's prohibited for a dog to be in there. That's fair enough, I understand that. But walking out along here, nobody else is here. But I'm really interested to see what the results are from a lawyer that we're going to sit down with and get them to investigate this law, whatever they do. And we'll take it from there, and I'll let you guys know what we come up with. Cool. Okay, so we've walked all the way down there, up around the corner there, sat there where I did my last filming, walked all the way back here. Haven't seen another person, haven't seen another dog, and I still have 100% control of these dogs. So, to me, they're perfectly safe. I have 100% control. They're not going to bother anybody else or any other dog. So I'm just filming to just show you guys how I walk the dogs most of the time. Because dog walkers come and go, whereas we're here all day. Come here, Ray. Get over there. You're not allowed over there. Come on. Get over the side. Obviously, again, there's dog leashes secured to each dog. There's another word they use. It's called, actually, I don't even know how to say it. But it's there. Shows you gotta have a leash or some sort of other. Or if you have a look at the law yourself, or the bylaw yourself, you'll see. So this is a typical walk for us when we're on our own. But I think you get the picture. But anyway, that's the end of another walk for us today. Go back to the van, give them some water, and then settle down till we go for another walk. Cool.